Ladies and gentlemen, would you please welcome Miss Jessica Sanchez.
Napapaliw na yan.
Dad, sumusunod kasi sa batas si Mami. Pag naka-one term ka na, edi siya na ulit.
Ang sunod ba yan sa batas o panloloko sa batas? Eh, hinahanap ng butas yung batas eh.
Pag naging barangay captain ka, edi pork barrel ka.
Ibig mo sabihin, si Mama, tumatanggap ng pork barrel?
Uy, ano na ba masama doon? Ha?
Talagang babuyan na yan.
Utas! Istas! Parabas!
Manila po ang aking bayang sinilangan. Kaya nga ho, kahit ito ay aking nilayasan, ito po ay aking laging binabalik-balikan. I keep coming back to Manila simply because there's no place like Manila. Manila, I'm coming home. Plagiarism ba yun? Ayun ang naalala ko eh. Alam niyo po, mahal ko po Maynila dahil wala po akong ginawang pelikula tungkol sa San Juan. Ha? Pero tungkol sa Maynila, napakarami na po.
I was given such hot reception. It was so cool. Yeah.
Because you came here summer, you should go in rainy season, so it's cool.
And I sang Ikaw.
Ikaw?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Why did you sing me?
I think I heard someone, complaining.
Yes. Here.
Mayor Lim? Is that you?
Yes, that's me. Alam niyo po, I came here expecting an enjoyable and relaxing night. And unfortunately, I heard some things that I cannot take sitting down. You let me love you.
It's for sure I'm gonna love you.
All the way. All the way.
Professional, and I will be fair and square. Na talaga, I will preside over this debate without any bias or prejudice. Diba?
Ito pong basta yelo ka, malakas ka sa akin, hindi po talaga totoo yan. I deny this vehemently. Bakit po yung mga taga-black and white movement, malakas sa akin? Black and white yun. Hindi yelo. Puro sila na lang magkakamag-anak ang nakikinabang. O hindi pa dynasty yun? Para sa tungkol... Ayun.
Sorry, your time is up.
Ano ka problema eh?
Balgang ng sahel. Ayaw na tayo.